Did you have a good nap? Are you tired? No? Okay, I have a surprise for you. I don't know, it's a surprise. Come with me. Got your playroom. Is it beautiful? You like it?
Look at this carpet.
You got a new rug. What's that?
What's in it?
You like it?
Oh, a train set.
And a train set. Yeah, so we got this little shelf here for like a book display.
Look at this.
We just got it from Ikea.
We got it for Ikea.
From Ikea, that's right. We got it at Ikea.
That's for the baby.
It's for everyone, not only for the baby. And we got a train set. Come show me your train set.
Well, it comes with this one.
So you got 2 sets of trains. Wow. This is neat.
I only get this one means I only get with this one.
Wow. Who built it for you?
Mommy,
How did you know?
I got it like that.
And the baby likes the books there.
There,
So a little book corner.
it's a book corner.
Yeah, reading.
There's a cool carpet.
Yeah, it's a cool rug. Do you like your train set?
Yeah,
Yeah. Which train is better for you?
this one's the white one.
The white wagon is better?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite?
No, red is my favorite.
The red one?
This one.
The red one! And you got another train over there, look.
That's the red one.
Yeah, so you can attach to get one very long train, or you can separate it and make 2.
Yeah.
What's your favorite, to make 2 or just 1?
I will make something to do a long one.
A long one. Are you happy with your train set?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This one's a
And I guess baby's happy with his books there.
This one's a hay.
It's at Ikea. We got it at Ikea.
Yeah, we got a nice playground.
Yeah, they got a nice playground. Did you have fun at Ikea playground?
Yeah.
Yeah? We weren't able to take any pictures because they have lots of children there.
Yeah.
So we can't take pictures or videos.
Yeah.
But yeah, Harun had really fun
Look.
at the Ikea playground. You made a very long train now. Isn't that cool?
Oh, wow.
You can even add that one to it. Yay! Uh-oh, the train is falling apart. Wow! Uh-oh, it's stuck. I guess one of the wagons is too high for that bridge. It's stuck over there.
Let me go backwards.
Yeah, you can go backwards.
Okay.
I guess we need a higher bridge.
A fire bridge.
A higher bridge.
A higher bridge.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, I like that train.
yeah.
It's a
Whoa.
magnetic train.
It goes like.
It slid down really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try to get
Okay.
that one was stuck.
We'll see.
Oh,
Do you think it's gonna get stuck again?
yeah.
Uh-oh.